The AirHawk Power Wheelchair is easily the world's lightest power wheelchair, weighing only 41 pounds, making it convenient to lift in and out of a vehicle without the use of pre-installed hydraulic lifts. Speaking of convenience, folding to a width of 12¼ inches allows it to fit in the trunk of any car. Taking a wheelchair normally weighing 500 pounds onto a plane or a cruise is quite the challenge. The AirHawk, being approved by both airlines and cruise ships and folding into the size of luggage, makes traveling fun and easy. Most wheelchairs are equipped with a center seat post for the seat to be attached to. What makes the AirHawk one of the world's most stable wheelchairs available is its amazing engineering, giving you 45% more stability on inclines due to the 4-point design, also making it the world's most portable, adjustable, and comfortable wheelchair available. Not only are we making things fun and easy, but comfortable as well. With many colors to choose from, the AirHawk also comes standard with the luxurious Comfort Fit seat with memory foam. Many people are dependent on a power wheelchair to give them their mobility. The AirHawk makes it possible to restore that freedom and take back your mobility. It's time to discover your mobility today.